This little video is just to explain what is included in the Willow Wellness branding kit. What elements are customizable and which elements are fixed. So our branding kits are what we call a semi-custom branding kit. So what that means is that some elements of the kit will be customized to you, while other elements are pre-made and not customizable. This is how we are able to deliver you a brand in 1 week at a really affordable price. So let's have a look at what the different elements are in the Willow Wellness Kit. So you will receive a branding questionnaire. This will help us understand your business vision and creative direction. It's going to help us as we move into creating your brand for you. The primary and secondary logos in the Willow Wellness Kit, and also the 2 brand marks. This is what's included. They'll have your business name added. So let's go and have a look at what that means. So this is the primary and secondary logos here that you're seeing for Willow Wellness. So what will happen is we will add your business name to these 2 logos. So one is a stacked and one is a horizontal. Otherwise, like the typography that's used here will remain the same. Nothing else will change in these logos other than having your business name added. The same with the brand icons. These are the 2 brand icons here, and you will get both icons. You can opt to use both in your site or to use one or the other. That's something that we will decide when we move into building your website. But these will look exactly like this. The only change will be that we'll have your business initials added to each of these. So that's what happens with the logos. They're going to look exactly like this, just with your business name and your initials added. Okay, line art drawings and organic shapes. So that's these ones here. These are the 3 line drawings that you're going to get and the 3 organic shapes. Now, you'll get all of these, and then you can choose, again, if you use all of them or just one particular one in your website build. And again, that's something that we will determine in your website build, but you will get all 6 of these. There's no customizations to these. We don't add on any other ones. These are set within the kit. So these are the 6 that you'll get. Okay, custom color palette and font pairing. This is where we really get to make your kit unique to your business. So we are going to be selecting a custom color palette for you and custom font pairings, which is what we will use across the website. We will also add those custom colors to your logos and brand marks, and also to the line drawings and shapes. So you're going to get your logos and brand marks and your shapes in all of the different colors in your custom color palette. So that's very custom there. And then you also get your 8 social media templates. So that's these ones here. You get 4 square ones and 4 Instagram story or Instagram reel size ones. And again, these will look exactly like this. They will just have your logos added and your unique custom color palettes and fonts added as well. And then right at the end, you'll also receive a mini branding guide and also a brand handover pack, so you can start applying the brand to all elements of your business.